In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Wix. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your Wix website with eye-catching features, a lightbox is a great option. Not only does it help highlight important content, but it also ensures that your visitors remain engaged and focused on your message. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to seamlessly set up a lightbox in just a few simple steps. To begin with, we need to navigate to the Wix website. So go ahead and open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials if you aren't already logged in. After logging in, locate and open your specific site that you wish to work on. It's important to ensure you're in the right project to avoid making changes to another site accidentally. Once your site is open, draw your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find several options designed to help you with site customization. To proceed with adding a lightbox, look for and click on the Add Elements option. This section is where you can add various enhancements and widgets to your site, ranging from text and images to interactive features. After clicking Add Elements, you're going to direct your focus down the list to find the Interactive option. This is where the magic happens for creating dynamic site features. Clicking on Interactive will reveal an array of lightbox designs. You will see a variety of options, each designed to cater to different needs and aesthetics. Take your time to explore these options and select a lightbox design that best suits your site's theme and your specific needs. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply click on it to add it to your site. With the lightbox now on your site, it's time to set the triggers, which are essentially the conditions that dictate when and how the lightbox appears to your visitors. Look for the Set Triggers option. Clicking this will allow you to define these conditions and personalize how the lightbox interacts with your audience. You'll notice options to name your trigger, giving you a chance to organize your settings, especially if you plan on adding multiple interactive elements. Once you have chosen a suitable name for your trigger and are satisfied with the trigger settings, simply click on Save. This will finalize your configuration and ensure that all your meticulous settings are properly applied. It's always a good idea to preview your site before publishing changes, just to make sure everything looks and works exactly as you hoped. And there you have it. Adding a lightbox to your Wix site is as straightforward as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're excited to see the enhanced engagement on your website. Thanks for stopping by today, and happy designing.